watcher and subscribers. Here in this tutorial we are going to see how we can read the file by using pandas. So our topic is pandas read CSV and Excel file. Means here we will see how we can read special file like CSV and Excel file by using pandas in Python. So first we will see how we can read comma separated value files. So it is a simple way to store big data set is to use CSV file. Means in the CSV file we can store a big database, and that file you can read by using pandas. And CSV file contain plain text and is a well-known format that can be read by everyone including pandas. And now here we will see how we can read Excel file. What about the Excel file? So you cannot read Excel file directly. For that you have to do installation, and that installation is given below, like pip install xlwt open pyxl. So that patches you have to install in the command prompt so that you can read Excel file. And suppose you go in the command prompt, you have to type this command as usual and it will start downloading. So I have already downloaded in my computer. So now practically we will see how we can read CSV and Excel file. So here I already opened the folder and I have already created Excel file with the basic information, and this information I want to upload in my Python program. So this is the Excel file which is having name and age, and we want to access two kinds of file like Excel file and CSV file. So this is the Excel file. I will show you how you can create CSV file. So you click on save as, and here you just type a name. Suppose I am typing C, and downside you select CSV comma delimited name and just click on save. Here click on as. So you got, along with that you got CSV file also. So now I am closing this. So here we got two file, E and C. E means Excel file and C means CSV file. So one by one we will load both the files, but here this CSV file I just show you the content. You have to open with notepad. So you see the same data, we are in the separate form. It is separated by comma, so that's why it is known as comma separated value file. And now here in the Python program we will access both the files. So here we are in the Python ideally, and we have already imported pandas. Then by using pandas alias you can access read method. So we have to read CSV file. So you have to write here CSV, and our file is c.csv. And this code whatever we are writing we will save in a same folder. There we have c.csv file. So there is no need to give here complete path. And finally you have to initialize with the variable, and here I am writing the variable d, and then you have to take here print statement, and you just pass that variable, and finally your code is ready and you can access the output. So in that output whatever the data you have in Excel sheet that will be appeared here. This is your data. And if you have limited data then you can do like that, but if your data is too long, means suppose 100,000 row are there, then in place of that you have to write here d dot to underscore string, and then you have to run this. So now here we will get the same output. Got it? So here we will get the same output like name and age, and the data will be available to you. And this concept will be more useful if you have the more content in your file. So that time you have to pass this to underscore string. And now we will see how we can run Excel file. So you just type here Excel, and our file name is e.xlsx, and now we will run the code. So our file is available with us, and we will get same output. If you have limited data, you can directly pass this variable and the data will be available to you. You see, so in this way we can access the content by doing this. So here in this tutorial, we understood how we can access Excel as well as CSV file. Then in the coming tutorial we will see the more options and more facilities of using pandas. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.